Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Grounded 2 multiplayer not working. The error shows multiplayer connection failure. There was an error connecting to the multiplayer service. Please check your connection and try again. Or how to fix can't join friends in Grounded 2. So to fix this, the first solution is to join friends using Xbox Game Bar or Steam Overlay. On PC, for Game Pass user, press Windows plus G on your keyboard, Xbox Game Bar, Friends, right click and join game. On Steam, right click on Friends and join game via Overlay. This solution has fixed the issue for many players. So I hope this will work for you as well. Second solution is to run Xbox services automatically. To do so, in Windows search, type services and open it. Now scroll down, look for Xbox services, scroll down to the bottom. Now right click on Xbox Accessory Management Services and select Properties. In the starter type, select Automatic and click on Start. Then hit Apply. OK. Now do the same thing for Xbox Live Game Save. Right click on it, select Properties. In the starter type, select Automatic, click Start. Click Apply, hit OK. Now right click on Xbox Live Networking Service, select Properties. In the starter type, select Automatic, click Start, hit Apply, OK. Now restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check multiplayer issue has been fixed or not. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.